Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is fiasco. It is pronounced fi-as-co and is spelt F-I-A-S-C-O. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Fiasco is a noun that means a complete failure, especially in a humiliating way. It is often used to describe a situation or event that goes disastrously wrong. For example, you could say, the school play turned into a fiasco when the actors forgot their lines and the scenery fell down. Or, the birthday party was a fiasco because the cake was burnt and the clown didn't show up. The word fiasco comes from the Italian word fiasco, which means bottle or flask. It is thought to have originated from a phrase far fiasco, which means to make a bottle, referring to the shattering of a glass bottle as a symbol of failure. In the book Amelia Bedelia, Amelia often misunderstands instructions and creates hilarious fiascos, like when she dresses the chicken in clothes or dusts the furniture with dusting powder. In the book Amelia Bedelia, Amelia often misunderstands instructions and creates hilarious fiascos, like when she dresses the chicken in clothes or dusts the furniture with dusting powder. Synonyms for fiasco include disaster, debacle, catastrophe, and failure. Antonyms for fiasco include success, triumph, and victory. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, fiasco. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.